Big up Crosses TV.
Frosty Steven, I can't take it out. I just can't take it. I go on with a bag of things. Sure.
Son.
Yes, real
Okay, so
son. Like
are you under the age of 20 or over? Okay, so you're old
I'm
enough.
30.
All right. So could you describe that day? Tell us.
I mean, I met her through my
Yeah.
dad and shit or whatever. For the most part.
Okay, so
Yeah.
did you know Sasha's background before you actually met her in person?
N- Nah, I didn't know what was
Okay, so
really
who
going
made
on
the
like that. I'm
first
not gonna
move?
lie.
You or her? Huh?
Not me. That is not my
Okay,
thing.
so she
I
saw
said
you
not
and
me.
said, "Oh, you're cute." So what happened?
Nah, before she even seen me anything, we was on live and shit. I joined the live a couple times and then she was just like running
Oh,
with it from the jump
that means she thought you
type
was
shit.
cute.
Yeah, she was like not letting nobody else talk to me or none of that type shit. Like she was
Okay,
just
so
not
now we
jacking it.
okay, so she was trying to form a relationship with you by virtual. So did you see the
Mhm.
photographs that Sasha had with your dad and another woman at the time, and you still was okay with
Yeah,
that?
I mean that.
So you guys should link up.
Yeah, but it really wasn't never supposed to be like that anyway. I never was really looking at it like
Uh-huh.
from a serious
Oh,
point
they
of
just
view.
had flirtatious
Yeah, that we was chatting like that was it. It wasn't really.
So
I
what
didn't
were the
really take this shit like
conversations
that.
about?
So
Like how she talked to you?
it wasn't
Oh, it
really
was
nothing
like club
personal like that. I
mess.
So it was
swear,
just a
it was like
smash
regular
to
shit.
you.
Okay, so when
Basically. And once I met her, and then look, once I met her, it was like, boom, I seen the messy shit that was going on too. So it was like,
okay, so did she
nah,
come to
I'm
your
not
house or
gonna
you
do
went
that
to
to
hers?
myself
So
type
where
shit.
did you meet?
No, we were just out and about, like
Oh,
outside type shit. We was
New
in New York.
York. So okay, she had a hotel room.
No,
So
she ain't have shit.
so what she do drive come to New York?
Yeah, she drove to New York. She drove to New York, but she didn't come with nothing. We
Who
held her
held
down when she
held
came.
her down, meaning rented her a room?
Yeah, we got made sure she had somewhere to stay or whatever
What do
because she
you
all
mean by
started acting
acting
funny,
funny?
and then I guess he didn't want her to be around. The whole situation with her. This is another reason why I didn't like. I wasn't really trying to keep going and keep talking to her, like because the shit
Okay.
was just mad
So how
messy.
did she get to suck in your dick?
Bro.
You can't speak up a little where I'm having trouble
I
hearing you
can't
well.
even listen. Plain and simple, we chilled all day or whatever. I didn't really expect to really do anything like that just
Mhm.
because it was the first time we met and shit. But long story short, we chilled and shit right before I left and shit because I didn't even really want to do shit. Right before I left and shit, she was basically like, "Oh, let's do something before I leave and shit." And I was like, "All
Was
right,
this
whatever."
was this at
And so we
JR
did, and I
or
left.
the hotel?
Nah, nah, I was at the spot. We ain't
Okay.
do nothing
So
before
you
then.
say when
Oh,
they after now burn weed and everything and eat some food, you say, yo, before you leave, let's get it cracking. Uh-huh.
Hmm. Type shit.
And what you said to her, I said, okay, yes. And what she do?
Yeah,
She pull
type
her
shit.
pants.
I'm not sure how it even happened, bro. It was so
I could
long ago. I
barely
swear.
Yeah,
hear
but
him.
hold on then,
So
Nicola.
much
But
been
how did
happened since
your dick
then.
end up in Sasha mouth?
It happened at some point. I don't recall exactly, but
So,
it definitely happened at some point
huh?
during the session. I said I don't remember exactly how it happened,
Also,
Did
but it
you did
definitely
y'all
happened.
do 69?
Hell no! What the hell?
okay, so she a wind up for you and take off her clothes and skin out her pussy. Then she just pull your pants and take it out.
Nah, it wasn't even like that. It wasn't even like that. It was not extra crazy like that. I'm telling you, because it wasn't even like a full
Okay,
session. The shit was like a half a session.
okay. So
I did not. I
did
wasn't
you
really
guys
into
have
it like
sex?
that.
Oh, you did have
Yeah,
sex.
yeah, we did, but it wasn't a full
Okay,
session. It
so
was like
while having
So
sex.
you
quick,
didn't
quick.
come?
It was quick, quick.
No.
It was quick, quick.
Okay,
Oh.
so
Is what I'm saying to
what
you. It
is
was
it
quick.
about? I heard that something about you smelled or she smelled. Who smelled?
I never said nothing like that. That was something I was ran with. To be honest,
Oh,
I'm not gonna say her a lie or
okay.
her
So
name
the
like that.
sex was
I never
free.
said that. No, I
Oh
didn't
no,
say
I'm
that
trying to
neither.
find
What
out
the
what you're
hell?
saying
I'm
though.
just saying you want to know. It wasn't no odor. Basically, I didn't
Uh-huh.
smell nothing. That wasn't me that said that. But as far as like her being messy and her dealing with mad niggas, I already sensed that. So it was like I knew I wasn't gonna chill her at all after
Okay,
that. It
so
was
it
over.
was just a one and done.
Did you come? Did you come? She come? Okay.
Okay, did
Yeah,
you use
Because they were
a
saying you
condom?
just do.
the whole situation was
So were
mad
you
quick though.
the
I ain't
one
no
that
front.
didn't use the condom or did you use one?
Nah, at this
What?
Jesus
You
particular
just
time,
leave somebody
Christ.
in unprotected sex?
nah, we didn't,
Oh
and I'm
my
just being
Sir
honest.
King?
God.
Oh, I'm disappointed in you.
So
But that was another reason why I was like, nah, because it
Did
was
she
like
ask you
I
to
really
use a
don't even want to do
condom?
that shit
Did
with
you
somebody.
ask
That
her
shit
to use a
rubbed me
condom?
wrong.
I just wanted to put it in
Huh?
quick.
Nah, I didn't. I asked about it, but it wasn't never
So
really an issue like
did
that.
you get
Nope.
checked or something? Oh no, we gotta
Hell
ask
yeah! What the
questions.
hell?
You know, this is what we're here for, the tea.
Yeah, I got 6 kids, man. I can't. I don't play around like
You
that.
put your cocky right as somebody saying, oh my
Yup, so you
God.
do play her.
And I 6 kids.
Hey!
Now, yes,
No,
so Sasha
you
not
asked
call.
me.
I
No, you
heard that
asked
Sasha
me.
was
Did I
calling
get
you
checked?
because
That's what you
Sasha thought
asked
that
me.
she
You
was
asked me if I
pregnant.
got
And that's
checked.
why you didn't answer.
Hell no. And y'all talking like this just happened. This was
Oh, we just
multiple months
getting the
ago. What the
tea. We
hell?
just get
I, sh- I shouldn't even be speaking on this. In all reality, this
not
shit is
irrelevant to
irrelevant
us
to me.
though. I used to add me.
Nah, I understand, and this is why I'm helping
So,
everybody get an
Mike,
understanding. But in all
okay,
reality, though,
Mike,
this
she
shit
was
don't make
saying
me
that you
nothing.
guys have a
That's
relationship,
real.
una have a connection.
How?
Well, she
When you
said
don't
she had
speak
a
to somebody,
pregnancy
that's
scare and
delusionalness.
you started to not want to answer your phone.
What the hell? No, bro. Get the hell out
Mike,
of here.
Mike, that's when you
Come
That's
on.
going
why we
into
are
it
asking you to
raw.
come because we want to know what's really
Niggas
going
be
on.
niggas be saying anything. Niggas be saying anything.
So, Mike,
Why is it this is just now being said? But people call my
she,
dad, people
she
call
brought it
everybody on
up,
the regular though.
Mike. So that's why once anything is on the mic, Mike, you know how the
Yeah,
internet
of
is.
course.
I
Like
know
when you
you're not
brought up
on the
now
internet
though.
like that, but you know once anything come forth on the internet, people is gonna want to know.
Yeah, that's a fact. But my phone, as much as people say they called my phone, why wouldn't that be something I
So
knew?
why them
You
said
got to make it
them
make
said
sense. That don't
Sasha
make
say
no
you and
type
her
of
did
sense.
have a little relationship on the internet and a meet up for real because she come to see you. She said because you know so she get married, she married and she have other people. You never want to be one of the niggas. You didn't want her for yourself and she said that can't work.
You there?
Yeah, nah, I'm not with the
Your
messy shit.
father said
Or
your father
just everything
said
about
your
her
thing
was
got
just
her messed up.
screaming messy. Yo, what the hell?
No,
King,
I
in
believe
our
King,
it.
comments
I
your
ain't gonna
father
lie to
did
you.
write that.
King.
I believe
I
it.
think you had to have some kind of feelings for her. Reason
He did.
being, yeah, reason being, no man is gonna really stick around. And she was at JR house. She brought you at JR house, and she wanted you to sleep there, right?
Right. So just think about it. Like I'm thinking about all of that. The messy shit was just different. And then after she left and shit, like this whole situation,
So
one of her
okay,
best friends too. You feel me? Like
why
mad shit
didn't
was
you
happening. So
withdraw
it's like, what the
yourself
hell?
when you guys couldn't get to sleep at JR house? Then you guys went to God's house and
Hold the
all of that
fuck up,
extra
hold the
stuff.
fuck up. This is him did up on the floor asleep at JR yard.
Yes. She
This,
shame.
this,
Wow.
Car phone mash up my life. Car
Mm-mm.
phone mash up your life. You mash up your life. Man, me for queen. Me eat
Gary, bring
queen
up
too. Me
mom
ain't gonna
now,
me
the
eat queen.
Jezebel.
Yeah,
The Jezebel I talk
I'll eat queen
about she
too.
shame. Bring her up.
I'm eat queen. I'll eat queen too. Me not care. Yeah, I said diary.
Me hear you with the unruly behavior.
Yes, definitely nice. Yes, what you mean?
he said